Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how we can create bulk email sender. Previously we created single email sender, so we have an API, you are just calling this API and you are sending the email. And after that we focus to making it async, and now we will focus to make it bulk. What I mean by bulk? Bulk is, let's say you want to send a group email. You have multiple recipients, let's say 10, 20 or 200 recipients, even 2000. This single request, you want to send this email to multiple recipients. How we can do it? First, let's define our API. It will be similar to previous one. Let's name it bulk email message, and in two sections, let's make it an array, and it can be multiple emails. Subjects and body will be same. Actually, we can do a lot of things here. We can create templates, etc. But I think it is out of scope for this video. Okay, now let's do. First, let's create new controller. It is open readme in the right. So it will be bulk email message. I just added bulk prefix. So we need to have new service, new DTO, new entity repository, etc. I will copy everything and I will modify it. It is our DTO. Now form will be list of string, and our entity form will be list. But here it is not such easy. Just writing this thing doesn't work. We also need to create some kind of relation here. So we need to add some annotations. First, element collection. I added to the wrong place. It should be under 2. And yeah, it is ready. Now DTO is also ready. Now let's create a repository. I will make it smaller, or even let's close it. No need for that. We also need mapper. Yeah, now let's go to service. And when we create bulk email message, now we want to send this message. Let's do a couple of things here. First of all, we don't need status here because this status can be managed by in email message entity. Actually, it depends on situation. For example, in some projects, you can it is possible you will need status like is this bulk message sent or not. But for current situation, let's say we don't need the status. And there are a couple of ways how we can implement bulk email sending. What I want to do is when bulk email request is made, we can open list of items and we can create email message from there. No. No. From should be single, to should be multi. Yeah. No need for that. And here let's import our service. Yes, it is done. Now let's test it. It's strange. Yeah, there are syntax error. Okay, let's fix it. Yeah. Okay. Now let's fix it. Let's sorry. Let us test it. So 2 will be array. Yeah. Seems like it's worked. It created bulk email message and it created 2 items. And the status is sent. So so we implemented bulk email message in simplest way. Of course, there are also different ways to implement it. What else we can do? First, for example, instead of creating email message for each item, we can have another handling mechanism, another scheduler, and this scheduler can take this entity and can send emails one by one. So bulk email can have its own scheduler. What is pros and cons here? First, pros is if you have too many emails, let's say if you have thousands of emails coming and going, and if you don't want to store all sent emails in the database, like if it is very big overheat to our database, it is better to not store each email message item. But the problem here is if you don't store each message item and if you don't handle it for each message item, we cannot track easily what is sent, what is not. Maybe we can have logs, and if some problem happens, we can go to logs and we can see. But we don't have any easy way to do it. Like we don't have it, we cannot implement any control mechanism like retry, etc. For that purpose, I think it is best to have to create email message item from bulk email message item. What else improvements we can do? Currently, this scheduler is scheduling email sending, but it's sending emails in a single thread. We can improve it by using multiple threads here. So let's try. Let's say we have 20 threads. Now here we can do like this. Yeah, we can have executor service and we can execute this code in executor service. The problem in this code is if we have too many email and if this code is slow, it can fill our executor service and there can be too many items. So we need to block these operations when there are too many items. We have multiple ways to do it. The easiest way is to have semaphore. Let's say we have a semaphore with 1000 permit. Every time before sending email, before adding it to this executor series, we can accrue a semaphore, and in final section inside executor series, we can release it. So in that case, in the queue, there will be maximum 1000 emails. If there are 1000 emails pending, it will not add another email to queue. Of course, there are also another techniques. We can do it with executor service itself. We can implement limited queue, or we can use blocking queue, blah blah. I think the simplest option is using semaphore. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you for watching.